Verifying your identity in Google AdSense is one of the most important steps for creators who want to monetize their content safely and securely. This process helps Google confirm your information and ensures your earnings reach you without any issues. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and go to adsense.google.com. This is your main platform for managing monetization, payment, and account details. Once there, click on Sign In at the top right corner and log in using the same Google account connected to your AdSense profile. Enter your email carefully and then your password to access your dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at your AdSense homepage. From the menu on the left-hand side, click on Payments. This section is where you manage all financial activities related to your account, including setting up payment methods and verifying your identity. Inside the Payments section, you'll see an alert or notification asking you to verify your identity if it hasn't been done yet. Click Verify Now or enter information to begin the process. Google will now prompt you to provide personal details such as your full name, date of birth, and address, all of which should match the information on your government-issued ID. You'll then be asked to upload a clear, readable photo of your identification document. This could be a passport, national ID card, or driver's license, depending on your country. Before submitting, double-check that your details exactly match the information on your AdSense profile. Any mismatch, such as spelling errors or different address formats, can cause delays or rejections. Take a clear photo of your ID, making sure all corners and text are visible. Blurry or cropped images may not be accepted. Once everything is filled out and reviewed, click Submit. Google will now process your verification. This usually takes a few days, but in many cases, it can be approved within 24 hours. You'll receive an email once your identity has been successfully verified, so keep an eye on your inbox for updates. If your verification is rejected, don't worry. Google allows you to try again by resubmitting your details with a clearer image or corrected information. Make sure the uploaded document is valid and not expired. A few tips to ensure a smooth verification process. Always use the same name and address across your documents and AdSense account. Once your identity is verified, you're officially one step closer to receiving your AdSense payments. This step not only keeps your account secure, but also ensures there are no interruptions when it's time to withdraw your earnings. And that's it. You've now learned how to verify your identity in Google AdSense. It's a simple but crucial process that protects your account and allows you to continue growing your online income with confidence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial where we continue mastering every part of Google AdSense step by step.